Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm inside of a closet here. I wanted to show you guys how to make something pretty useful. I was inspired by the boutique boot clips, I think is what they're called, or boutique boot hangers. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own boot hangers, and we're actually going to hang our pants up with the boot hangers.
So stay tuned.
What you're gonna need. So first thing, I actually stopped at the Dollar Tree. So you can get these there, $1 for a 6-pack. Pretty cheap. They're these big plastic clips. I got 3 packs of them, but they're pretty heavy duty clips, and they're just made out of plastic. The next thing you're gonna need is those old ugly hangers that we just absolutely can't stand, and for some reason we're always wanting to update these, but the classic just silver hangers is what we're gonna need here. The next thing you're gonna need is some spray paint of your choice. I chose metallic. That'll just give it some shine. And we cannot forget about our tools. We're actually gonna need something to cut the wire with that's pretty strong and sturdy because this wire is pretty thick. And then needle nose pliers or something to bend the wire with. Now let's get started. Open up our packs of clips. Okay, so I'm opening these. Oh my gosh. Alright, after you've got your packs of clips opened, we're then going to undo this wire here. It literally doesn't take that long. You just use both your hands and untwist it here. The next thing we're going to do, let's get these out of the way. So we want to keep this hook, and we'll probably use actually all of the wire just depending on if we're able to shape it correctly. I'm going to cut it about right here, right there, and I'll show you why here in a second. So there, I got it clipped off. Then we're going to take our needle nose pliers here, and we're going to bend this part of the bottom here, and we want it to look like an S hook, and then we're going to shove this part of it into this little hole here and wrap it around. It's going to look very similar to this product over here. So this is the hook part, and it comes in through the hole, and it wraps around, and you just use your needle nose pliers to do this. And if you don't like the way it moves here, you could use maybe some super glue, maybe even E6000 or hot glue to secure it better. I don't think it really bothers me that much because I mean it's pretty secure. This thing is not going to fall off because it's looped around right here. Also, you want this pointing inwards because it's kind of sharp and you don't want it to ruin your clothes or poke you. Alright, once you've got all your clips made, which I'm just going to start with 5 for now, just so I can kind of show you guys what I'm doing here. Then we're going to give it a quick spray, probably a couple coats of spray paint. And again, you want to do this like really thin coats so that it's not runny and it looks awful. So here we go. Just like that. And we'll let that dry for now. And there you have it, our finished look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.